Hello, I'm Ron Feaster, and I'm the designer of Orbital Warfare. So Orbital Warfare is a bit unique. Everything on it is 3D printed, and the idea behind it is that I love orbital mechanics, and I love space battles, and I love reading sci-fi. And I was inspired by some of the writings and how the different orbits affected the warfare and the strategy behind everything. And I was like, I don't feel like I've really gotten to feel that tension between my opponent and I when we're in a space battle. So I made a solar system model where we have the Earth, which has a low Earth orbit and a high Earth orbit, and then its own orbit that it'll rotate around, and an asteroid field and an asteroid, and Saturn in its low Earth orbit and high Earth orbit. So every turn, at the end of the turn, everything will move one location. So there's 3 locations on the Earth orbit, 6 on the asteroid orbit, and 12 on the Saturn orbit, because as you go further out, planetary bodies move slower. So the map is always changing, which leads to a king of the hill type of mechanic. In orbital warfare, there are 3 actions you can take. You can either fire, thrust, or charge. So you will choose one of these options. Your opponent won't know which one you chose. And that's the crux of the game, is knowing what you think your opponent's going to do and predicting them properly, then also position yourself optimally on the board. So every turn, at the start of the turn, you're going to gain 1 energy first, and then you'll choose one of these 3 options. Charging, which is the simplest option, is you stay right where you are and you gain 1 energy. If instead you choose to thrust, you can move to a location. Moving costs energy equal to the number of spaces moved. So let's say I am blue and I want to go to this location. That's in the 2nd orbit, which is 2 energy levels, and it is B. So I'll choose that location here, and now when I reveal, I can't change my mind, and my opponent and I will reveal what we chose to do. So if my opponent, for some reason, was like, I know this guy's going to 2B. He's like, I got it in my head. Let's say he thinks that. So he goes 2B on his, and he chooses, instead of thrusting, to fire. He has got 2 energy, and he's gonna put both of those energy into it to try and hit me hard. So we both reveal, 3, 2, 1, boom. And then I move first, because thrust is resolved before firing, and then he'll fire. So he is 1, 2, 3 away from this location, and you need a 3 or higher to hit. So there's a -3 on the die roll here, 4. So it was only a total of 1, so it would not hit. But let's just say it was a 10. Because it went through these locations and it hit, it'll do damage equal to the difference between the kinetic energies of the 2 positions on the board, plus however much energy went into it. So he spent 2 energy, so it's a default of 2. Then he's also in a kinetic energy 5 position, which is the highest on the board, all the way to a 2. So that means he gets a +3 on top of the 2 that he spent. So that means he deals 5 damage to blue. So that means he went all the way from his starting 10 hull integrity down to 5. Once you get down to 0, game over. So Orbital Warfare is a fully 3D printed game, so I think it would make for a great 3D printed play, and give the files either for free or for a small fee, and hopefully get some attention on it, because I think it's a blast to play. All right, so here we go with the game. So we're gonna set up. That's the first thing we're gonna do, is roll a D12. We got a 4, so that's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So Saturn is starting here. Then we're gonna roll for the asteroid. We got a 12, so that's gonna be in the 6th position there. And then for here, we got a 1. So that's just gonna start on A. Then we're gonna determine who goes first.
11.
Ooh,
6.
What are you going for?
Ooh, let me be the attacker.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take our board. As the defender, I always start on the low Earth orbit here.
Yep.
And then on Bob's first turn,
You get to determine where I want.
and then we're going to go to our first turn. So we each gain 1 energy at the start of the turn.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Ready.
3, 2, 1.
Thrusting.
I'm also thrusting. Where are you going?
So I am going to be coming into 3B.
Nice.
So that cost me 1. So my battery drains.
Yep. Mine also cost me 1 because I'm going up to the high Earth orbit here.
Sweet.
So now we're on to the next turn after we rotate everything. So everything will move 1 position.
Sweet.
2, 1.
I am charging.
I'm firing.
No.
I spent 3 energy on it too.
No.
Right now, my range is 1, 2, 3 away. So I have a -3 on this. So a 6 or higher will hit.
Yep.
10. Let's go. All right, so I spent 3 on that. We're at the same energy level because I'm in 3 and you're at 3. So you're gonna take 3 to your hole.
Yep. So now I have 7 holes.
Now you're far away from me. But I am not far away from you. All right, I'm ready. You ready?
I think I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Firing.
I'm moving.
Ooh.
Where'd you choose? You
I
targeted where I
chose
was?
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I moved up to the asteroid, which gives me some extra defense, which cost me 1 to move to. Right next to each other, yet so far away.
Yeah, boy. All right, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
I got to charge.
I'm firing.
I have no. You knew I had no battery.
All right, so the range is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I get -4, so that means a 7 or higher will hit.
Yep.
12. Come on, the rolls have been lucky for me today. All right, and I spent 3 on that, but I'm -1, so I only deal 2 damage to you.
2 damage.
Yeah.
So I get -2.
Yes.
So I'm at 5.
All right. Way there.
And then I get to charge my battery 1 extra
Yep,
time.
so you get 1 more. Yeah, true.
Boom.
And then 1 at the start of the turn.
Yep.
No, I'm 1 away from you.
Boom.
I got 2 in my battery right now.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Charging.
I'm also charging. All right, so I gain 1, and then it'll be a new
Extra.
turn. Gain 1 more.
Rotate.
Yep. Boom. I don't like how much energy you've got over there. I do have the -3 from the asteroid, which is pretty sick.
I'm ready.
All right, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Thrusting.
I'm charging.
Interesting.
So I get 1. Where are you going to?
One right here. Boop. I'm ready. That asteroid's a little goated there, Ron.
The asteroid's pretty nice.
All right, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Thrusting.
Fired. Tough. I spent some energy on that one too. Where are you going?
Upper.
Okay, cool.
Upper Earth.
So that one costs you 1.
2. Exactly.
Perfect. 3, 2, 1.
I'm firing. You evaded me.
Let's go. All right, so I thrusted over yonder. I'm right there. So I spent 2.
All right, I'm ready.
Me too. 3, 2, 1.
Charging.
I'm firing. I spent all 5 on this one. Yeah, so it's 3 away, so I get a -3, which means a 6 or higher hits.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Dice have been so nice to me today. All 5, but I have a minus. You're at 5. I'm at 2, so I have a -3 to that. So I actually only hit for 2. 3, 2, 1.
Firing.
And you spent all of your energy.
All my energy.
So if you hit, you deal 8 damage to me. I charged. I almost moved, but I was like, you know, it's not too bad. All right, so you're 4 away, so that means a 7 or higher will hit. So you got a 50-50 shot here. Let's go.
It's so dumb. That's so frustrating.
All that for a drop of blood. 2, 1.
I have to charge.
I'm firing. The 6 or higher will hit. You ready?
I'm not ready.
2, 1. Woo! The dice finally ran out.
I needed that. I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Charging.
I'm firing.
I don't like this.
That's all 5 dropped in.
I
So
don't
it's
like this one bit.
2, 3, 4, 5. So you are 5 away, which is tough. So that means I need an 8 or higher.
Ooh.
So it's a little steep.
Dice, be on my side.
But listen,
please.
this dice been real nice to me. So we'll see what happens.
Be nice to me for once. I needed that.
3, 2, 1. I'm thrusted. You know where I'm going? I'm going right behind you. I'm going 1, 2, 3. One of the rules is you can't shoot from a higher orbit to a lower orbit. Well, I guess technically you could hit me. You just have to go around the system. So you'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd be 6 away. So you could actually hit me, but it's just a hard hit. So what you doing? 3, 2, 1.
Thrusted.
I'm charging. So I gain 1. Where are you going? Interesting. Okay, gain 1.
Yep. I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Thrusted.
I shot at you. Thought I had that.
I'll not go down without a fight, Ron.
I believe it.
It's not in my blood. I'm ready.
Me too. 3, 2, 1.
Thrusted.
Okay, good. I'm charged. Where are you going? You know, I thought about shooting there because I was like pretty sure you're going there. I was like, if I just snipe him right here, 360 no
I'll
skill.
be so mad.
All right, so everything moves.
I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Charging.
Firing.
I hate this.
I only have to shoot with 1 and it'll kill you because we have a differential of 2, and then one energy is 3, and you only have 3 hull, right? Yeah. So if this hits, it's over. 1,
Not -3 because I'm on
2,
the asteroid too.
3, 4. Yeah. So -7 on my roll. which means I need a 10 or higher. That is tough.
Let's go.
Good game.